how to give access to Google Drive link. So if you want to give access to your Google Drive link, then first you need to open up your browser. Go with the top right, which has Google Apps, and then open up your Google Drive. And once you're on your Google Drive, you can just simply go with the top left, go with new folder or a new file upload, and upload something. So I'll just simply go with a report and then go with open and wait for it to upload. And once it's uploaded, you will have the thing that you've just uploaded, right? What you need to do is just go with the three dots, which is on the top right of it, and then go with share option. Once you click on share, you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply add the people or groups to whom you would like to share. And after that, you need to go with the general access, which is on the bottom, and go with the drop down, which says restricted. Now go with anyone with the link, and after that, enter the person's name to whom you would like to give the access, and then go with done, and it will be sent to that person. And now, once the other person opens that, then they can edit it. But make sure that you've selected the editor option right here. That's it. That's how you can give access to your Google Drive link. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.